What's up guys, my name is Jay, welcome back to another video. I've shot this introduction about 1,000 times and it's getting pretty tired of resetting it. So mistakes and all, we're just gonna go with it. Today we're gonna be talking about switchback LEDs from LASFIT. If you're like me, you drive the Chevy Colorado, you know how terrible the lighting package is on that truck. The headlights, taillights, fog lights, it's all absolute garbage and you have to replace it all when you get the truck. Because if you don't, then you can't see shit driving down the road. You'd probably be better off using candlesticks for turn indicators. So today we're going to fix that problem. I'm going to install these switchback LEDs. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you know how to change a light bulb on a car. It's not that difficult, and I'm sure there's 1,000 other videos that can show that. But what I am going to get into is just the comparison before, after, what you could expect with the switchbacks from LASFIT, and that's about it. We're going to keep it pretty short this time. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. I create content about Chevy Colorados and modifications to my Z71 from 2016 that I have. And if you don't, then, you know, whatever, keep moving. So thank you guys for checking this out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.